Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has charged political appointees in his cabinet to put aside their differences and biases in the discharge of their duties for the betterment of the entire state. Governor Oborevwori, who gave the charge last week at the inauguration of 3 new commissioners, called on all political appointees in the state to continue to raise the bar of service delivery in their respective spheres of influence.
The captain of Timor Agenda in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, recently added 3 lieutenants to the fold to aid in implementing the policies, programs and projects of his administration. The new additions are Ekemejero Oborevwori, Senior Advocate of Nigeria as the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Dr. Ifeanyi Osoza as Commissioner for Information, and Prince Kelly Penawo as Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs. The governor, while speaking at the inauguration of the new commissioner, says the interests of Deltans remains top of his priority. Hence, all political appointees must pursue same.
Must dislocate the massive mandate given to us by the good people of Delta State in sincerity of purpose, empathy with the people, and improve service delivery in discharge of our duties.
For their part, the new commissioners, while appreciating the governor, expressed readiness to key into the policies and programs of the administration.
We will drive the more agenda more effectively with the chairman so that we work as the governor directs.
We will use more effectively information officers from within the state and around the local governments.
Governor Oborevwori further stated his administration's commitment to strengthening governance processes and accountability systems for optimal performance. The governor said he suspended Commissioner for Agriculture and Natural Resources, Honorable Omon Pereke Bena, while 3 other high-ranking staff of the ministry are placed on compulsory leave to allow a hitch-free investigation into their questionable involvement in the implementation of greenhouse project of the Ministry of Agriculture and Natural Resources. Speaking to journalists on the matter, Governor Oborevwori says his administration will not shield anyone who abuses laid down rules and processes.
This government is transparent and we believe in accountability and nobody is above the law. So the committee is looking into the issue, and by the time they come out with their report, we take our decision.
In another development, some members of Delta State Executive Council have been on the road monitoring the execution of government projects under their respective ministries to ensure speedy delivery and strict compliance with the terms and conditions of the contract. The first port of call was the Delta State International Conference Center, Asaba, comprising a 1,500-seater auditorium and a 1,000 capacity ultra-modern banquet hall, as well as other facilities, by the Commissioner for Special Project, Barrister Funyai Manager and his team. The Commissioner for Works, Rural and Riverine Roads, Charles Anyago, accompanied by the Chief Press Secretary, Festus Ahon, were also at Anyocha North local government area of the state to inspect the ongoing construction of Jolie Avenue Road on Nichugbo. Following on the governor's earlier visit to Ika Northeast local government area to ascertain the level of ongoing work at the site of erosion control channels that run from Owaleru through Owalizomo and Owaofia to link Iyama stream, Commissioner for Works, Highways and Urban Roads, Comrade Ruben Izeze, also visited the site where he urged the contractors to keep the pace of work going. Residents who spoke to our crew at some of the project sites are excited about the ongoing work.
Water they disturb us too much. Now they don't feel and do everything down the time. The road they okay now.
Government is very good because they used to look eye of things that is already spoiled and they will bring idea to do it. So God will bless them.
In another development, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori last week revealed that plans are ongoing for the rehabilitation of Warri Township Stadium as he received in audience members of the National Assembly from Delta State at Government House, Asaba. The governor stated that he will continue to lead an all-inclusive government that is dedicated to the sustainable peace and development of the state.
People have come together as one, not as a party. So we must be one. That's the only way you can advance Delta State.
House of Representative member Honorable Victor Nwokolo, speaking on behalf of the delegation, said they were at the government house to show their solidarity and support for the governor and his administration.
In Delta State, we are one. We stand for unity, and so that other people can learn from Delta. Of course, the governor has set the standard. He has set the pace for other governors to copy. If you look at in terms of empowerment he has done and the landmarks project he has initiated and completing the ones he inherited, it shows you that he's truly called for the service that he's doing.
Governor Oborevwori has remained committed to ensuring rapid infrastructure renewal as well as boosting socio-economic prosperity in the oil-rich state, with the completion of all projects inherited from the immediate administration and the initiation of several others in the past months.
Inside the Niger Delta,